let's talk coatings, specifically the DM coating system by Diamond C. It doesn't matter if you're coating a trailer, a piece of equipment, a piece of wood, a car, whatever. There's two main things that make up a great coating. Number one, by far, is the preparation before you ever even think about applying a coating. And then number two is the grade of material that you use. Let's go in here, we're gonna take a look and walk through the DM coating system to show you exactly what it takes to make a long-lasting finish. So you can see behind me the first stage of the DM coating process. The trailers come from weld. They're hung on an overhead conveyor, moving at anywhere from 3 to 6 feet a minute. This trailer right here is about to enter what is the media blast booth. It's a lot like you've heard sandblast. Well, we do the same thing, but we use steel grit to remove all of the mill scale and things from the steel mills off the top of the material and get it ready so that primer can adhere. Step 2 is a 5-stage wash process. This ensures that we clean the steel, that we add corrosion resistance, and we balance the pH level, getting it ready for primer to set in. After wash, all frames travel through this 100-foot long oven at 300 degrees to force dry them and prevent flash rust to get the frame 100% optimum and ready for primer. This is where it gets exciting. Behind me is a trailer that's primed and ready for top coat. Our primer is not just a standard grade primer, it's a zinc-enriched primer. The zinc in it helps bite down into the pores of the metal, sealing it off, making it extremely durable and corrosion resistant. Now, over the years in powder coat, for some odd reason, manufacturers have chosen not to put any primer, just putting the top coat direct to metal, which is crazy. Would you want to paint your truck or equipment or anything else without using a primer? Make sure to check and see, does the trailer you're looking at have a primer? And then one step up is a zinc-enriched primer. We're at the second to last stop on the DM coating systems process. The booth behind me is the top coat booth where one of 12 available colors gets sprayed over the zinc-enriched epoxy primer, getting ready to bake for a long-lasting, durable finish. After top coat, the trailers go into this 165-foot cure oven. At 430 degrees, this oven turns the powder into a gel that encapsulates the frame, completing the DM coatings process. In true Diamond C fashion, the DM coating system was custom designed just for us to provide long-lasting, durable finishes to help you out there in the field. Your hard-earned dollars put to work. You need to be able to rely on a trailer you can trust for a long time. Check this out at diamondc.com to view all of our trailers and available options. Follow us on all the major social channels, and we'll see you on the road.